Alright, 38 gang. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Slushy Student. Let's go, man. I know y'all seen that title and thumbnail, but yeah, man, I'm at the gas station, y'all. Man, this is my first time ever running on E. Man, this boy take 91 octane, man. So y'all already know, man. But that ain't even why I'm out here. But listen, I'm out here because I'm trying to give y'all this sauce to juice. You already know, man. But look, I'm about to throw this gas treatment in there. I'm probably gonna have to get like what they got 90. It says they got 92. What the heck? But no though, man. So let's see how much that costs. I'm at John Eagle. I got to get fuel rewards points and shit. So I'm about to get like 60 cents off of that. But really it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be like 60. Leave a comment or something. Let me know what y'all think it's gonna be. But yeah, man, like I said, this video is about me, man. I'm about to give y'all the sauce about how I'm gonna really build this car. I'm gonna throw some gas treatment in there, throw some real gas in there, and then after this we about to go get a oil change. I'm gonna get some full synthetic oil. I might even do a trans flush if it ain't too much. And man, we're gonna see how the cars react after that, man. So stay tuned for the video. I also got some other stuff in store for this video, so stay tuned for the whole video, guys. If y'all new to the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's go watch the intro. We in Ohio, y'all. I know y'all see my outfit. Tell me, man, y'all gotta. Is the outfit matching the cars? I'm matching the cars, or is the both of us matching? Both of us matching, man. This is too drippy though. Too drippy though. I'm gonna actually get it on thumbnail when I get out of here. Let's see how much this stuff costs. It's about to cost an arm and a leg. But man, hope y'all enjoying the content I've been bringing to the channel, y'all, man. I got a lot of stuff in store. I'm trying to be more of a car tuber, and just be car vlogging all the time. Y'all know I also do other videos, but I like to, they ain't hitting like these car videos hitting, so man, you already know what that's like. But yeah, stay tuned for the video, like I said before. I'm about to pull up to this. I'm gonna show y'all how much this stuff actually costs real quick. Put that shit in there. Yeah, but if I don't know, the gas treatment is actually clean the fuel system. I'm actually gonna do the carburetor and injector cleaner next after this gas gets cycled through the system once, and then the octane booster after that. Y'all don't, that stuff actually does help keep the engine running that top peak. If y'all don't know, my V6 and my 5.7, both of them was running. And they sounded crazy too. But we already at 30. I just wanted to put half of the gas in first. We already at 30. I think it's gonna be like 60, maybe 65. But that's a lot though. For real. But I'm getting 50 cents off. 50 cents off a gallon, so. Some like the gas station by my house got 93. This boy got 92 though. So I wonder why, because at John Eagle, they know that people don't use their fuel perks to get gas, so they ain't trying to get them the best fuel grade, but the highest here is like 92. Man, that boy is at $45 and it's still moving like it ain't even like done. Nowhere near done. 6:30. I'm about to hurry up and try to make it up there. They close at 7. I'm going to take 5. They're supposed to do it in 5 minutes. It's only like 2 minutes on the street. I should be able to make it in time. And then after that, I'm gonna pull over. Oh shit. Okay, 96 bucks. I ain't gonna do no more than that. I said 96, my bad. 56 bucks. 56 bucks though. 96 bucks, I'm about to die. I ain't gonna never buy no gas ever again. Yeah, so I do want that receipt. Yes, sir. But yeah, let's get up there, man. Stay tuned for the rest. All right, 38 gang. Here go that famous cold start on a full tank of gas. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to run that bitch like 5 times. Yeah, y'all. Whew, man. I'm about to I'm probably gonna change the exhaust system. I'm thinking about not even doing a muffler delete or any kind of resonator delete. Nothing like that this time. I think about doing like a full exhaust system. So I'm gonna actually save my money up for that and everything, man. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna try to do some juicy mods this time. When it comes to like the exhaust system and some other stuff. I got some stuff in store for like I'm gonna change the color of this car. I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what I'm gonna change, how I'm gonna do it, but I got something in store with that, y'all. So y'all definitely gotta stay tuned for that. That's gonna be like interesting. Here go a pull though. And I was using the paddle shifters, so yeah. I kind of shifted too late on one of those. I think it was in third gear. I shifted a little too late, but that boy sounds nice. Oh shit! Don't get me copyrighted. Let's change the song. Woo! That boy really does hit. Oh, why my song called? I'm tripping.
Oh yeah, AB. Let's go.
So yeah, man, I got me a K&N performance oil filter. They actually help, you know, the oil gets filtered and everything. I'm gonna actually leave the details and all that on the side so you actually can see what all the specs are for these. I got the gold one, and what they do is they take out the filter when they change the oil and put this one in, and it definitely is a big difference because I did it in both my other cars, like I said before, and yeah, and that boy was hitting. So another thing I'm gonna do is change the spark plugs and coils. So that's something else I'm gonna be bringing. So y'all gonna get the whole, you know, the whole build from scratch, you know. So like I'm gonna bring, and like I said before, I'm gonna try to get y'all more car like tubing, like where I'm just inside the car, like I'm doing right now, so y'all can see more of what's going on. I'm gonna just probably get this trans flush if they can do it. I'm gonna just order sparks and plugs, and man, after that, I think my next video, like next week when I get some more money, when I get paid again, I'm gonna do some other shit, because I got some I wanna do, what I really wanna do. I can't really say it, but this car right here just gonna jump in front of me, just don't care the hell about life. It look like there's cars here. Oh, there's people here. Yeah, they better not turn me down today, nigga. I came the other day trying to make this video. You niggas turned me motherfucking down, bro. Because I was 5 minutes before 7. I'm 10 minutes before 7 this time. I'm still here. What's up? Y'all gonna do me today? Hi. Oh shit, she about to grab 2 waters, nigga. Oh, she like that though. She's solid. Watch this. Hey.
Hi there.
How you doing?
This is great. Here's some waters for you.
Oh, you solid. That's solid. Hey.
Yeah, I saw her sitting in the passenger. I'm like, oh, let me go grab another one real quick. You guys wanted an oil change tonight? I'm so sorry. We close in like 15 minutes, so we're not allowed to do anything that's like foreign or has giant skid plates towards the end of the night, because anything can go wrong, and then you'd end up having to be here till like 8 o'clock at night. Everything's closed, so if you want to come back any day throughout the week, we're open till 7.
We got a 6.4 engine with a flush. They want their money. They want to work. That's why they open at 7:30. They want to get their money. But yeah, man, I went to take 5, man. I'll leave a little some more clip on here. What happened? They act like they didn't want to do it because I was actually a little earlier than I was before. And the bullshit excuse she gave me obviously ain't true, because look, they opened at 7:30 and they said they would do it. And I got a coupon when I called, because I called and made sure they was open at 7:30 or whatever time they said online, and then the lady gave me a coupon. So, see, I'm getting a transmission flush on the oil change. It's a full synthetic with the K&N Gold Performance Oil Filter, y'all. So that's some performance stuff right there. It's not like nothing major, but that's a start to getting my engine to where I want it to be. So.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Oil change for you?
Yeah.
Just give you a heads up, this one does take a ton of oil.
Okay.
So it's a kind of expensive oil change.
Okay. I was trying to do a transmission flush too.
Okay, that one takes like about 15 extra minutes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure this one is $169.99.
Okay.
It might be $149.
And then I got the filter.
Okay, you want to use that one?
Yeah.
You can hold on to that for me. We're just getting started on this oil change, so give us about 10, 12 minutes.
No way. the newest car I ever had.
Yeah, it's all done. And your first name?
Gregory?
Gregory?
Yes. Okay.
So it's going to be 119.97.
Okay.
040 oil. I'll give you a discount since you bought your own oil filter.
Okay.
Get you like $10 off. Low pressure. Car back for you.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I want to put some metal skid plates on. It just looks better. Protect it a little bit better too.
Alright, so you got the oil change for you with the 7 quarts of synthetic Euro oil. Your $25 comes off right there. And then the $10 I gave you comes off down here at the bottom.
Okay.
So you got the transmission service, 18 pints of transmission fluid, a brand new oil filter. You got the tire set, washer fluid topped off. Taxman wants some cash. They get a $253.76.
Cool. All right, 38 game, man. It's nighttime. It's like what, 8:30. But no, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I want to close this video out and talk about. This is a headlamp duct, like airflow. Like, I'm trying to get it so y'all guys can see it. But this is really, obviously, if y'all see it, this goes into the stock air intake and makes the air blow from your from right here. So it basically makes that really breathable, because it's when you get them, you got to take the little, the cap out to make it breathable, and then it gets air, but it's not direct. Like, this gives it a direct tunnel way right to the air filter. Stock box though, guys. So like, if y'all in the future, anybody who changes that air filter, like I'm gonna probably get a K&N one, but I'm gonna keep the stock, air intake box this time around when I do it that way. Cause I actually bought this one. There's already one on here, but I actually bought this one when I had my 5.7 and it didn't even fit because I hadn't keep my stock air intake box. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that and let y'all know that is another small little thing, that can help get your, air intake some more airflow. But like I said before, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. This definitely was a car tubing video for y'all guys, man. Smash that like button. Man, become one of the 38 gang, man. Like I said before, is it the outfit? Is it the, you know what I'm saying? Or is it the car that's matching me? Or is it me matching the car? Is it, you know what I'm saying? Rate the drip, though. This is a Nike fit today. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the next video, guys, man. It's your boy, Special Student 38, man. Special Student in the house, y'all. I appreciate the 38 game, man. You already know we came a long way, man. I'm gonna got some more content coming. I'm gonna say that till I'm blue in the face, man. Yeah, peace, y'all. Stay tuned.